Imagine looking for a YouTube video as well as watch it for 30 seconds and you generate income. Currently, I want you to take a look at all of these YouTube videos right here and you can watch them for 30 seconds as well as you are going to get paid. As you can see right here, pure sum of the payment proof: $10 US, $8, $5, $17, $100 US, and they are paid off real payment proof. Now I'm very excited to share these 5 amazing websites with you to earn money by simply watching YouTube videos. So here is how much money you can earn from this. If you get started on simply one video website, you can make about $18 per hour. As well as when you are dealing with 3 websites, you can earn $50. And when you are working on 5 different websites to watch videos, you can up to $130 per hour. So this is very important to watch the video until the end and learn each of these 5 websites to maximize your income. And don't worry, because all of these websites are 100% legit and are cost-free to join and are available worldwide in all the countries. Make sure you stick around and watch the video until the end. Before we go into the video, make sure you subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell to don't miss out on any new videos. Now, first of all, if you are watching this video, I will assume that you do already have a YouTube account. Currently, say for example, you go onto the search bar where you are typing this keyword winter travel, as well as you will be able to find a lot of videos that you can watch just like usual. Yet, I want to show you 5 websites that allow you to watch simple YouTube videos just like this one right here. And you could be making a lot of money online, similar to each of these persons from different countries worldwide. So make sure you stay tuned and learn all of these 5 websites before you go on and try it yourself. The first website that I want to show you today, which is u-cubes.com. You can see here over 600,000 members and established since 2007. You can earn money online by viewing websites, completing surveys, and more significantly watching videos, as well as over 20,000 payments already sent out to people from all countries worldwide. You can cash out in PayPal money, as you can see right here. If you wish to sign up for a free account, all you need to do, click this button right here where it says sign up now. As well as you are going to come onto this web page where you can see here sign up, it's free. Now you are going to put in your email address, confirm your email, put in your password, confirm your password, your full name and also username. You can put whatever you want and gender. It might simply click on this to select male or female and your date of birth and right over this section where it claims country. When I click this down arrow, you can see they are approving people from all countries in the world. And I am simply interested and you are watching this right now. As well as where you are coming from. I mean, what's your country? Let me know in the comments down below, so I can create more videos for your region in future. As well as from there, how did you find out about them? Once again, enter YouTube and also the validation code can enter whatever you see right here in the box. And then you can enter and read the privacy policy as well as the terms and conditions. And you can register for a free account. And also from there you can watch a simple YouTube video. Just like this 30 seconds, sometimes 60 seconds. Currently 30 seconds video will pay you lesser cash as 60 seconds video will pay you higher earnings. Now what I usually do is that I will mute the video. I just turn off the volume of the video since I will let it play in the background without actively watching them. So that's a very cool tip that you can make use of too. As well as usually I will open up several tabs. As you can see right here, I go and also open one video and watch another video. So by doing this, you can make more money in much lesser time. And among the things that I do is that I also use my mobile phone and computer system, both devices, to watch different videos and that might speed up the earning. So from there, I want to show you a few tips right on the YouTube platform that will undoubtedly allow you to watch the video faster. You can see here under the setting, click this button and see here under the playback speed since it's normal by default. You can speed up this video by simply choosing on double, get 2 times the speed. As you can see, when I click the play button, the video would go on a lot faster at double the speed. So by doing that, you can watch 30-second videos in just 15 seconds to get half the time because the speed right here is actually double. That's one very practical approach to earn money faster by merely watching videos. From there, various other tips that we can share, and you can turn down where the quality of the video, as you can see, by default should be auto. You are going to choose 144p to make sure that it's on the lowest quality. That's going to save your data connection. That's going to save you even more time if you have a slow internet connection. The second website where we can watch videos and make money, that's BoxInside.com. As you can see right here, we can make money every 10 seconds. That's what I love about the website because you can watch a short clip, simply 10 seconds, and you can earn money. Also, a second thing I like about this website is that you can cash out instantly once you get $2. As soon as you have earned $2, you can cash out and also withdraw your money. Right on the website, they reveal to you the latest 250 payments that they send out to people from all countries around the world. As you can see right here, they are accepting people from basically all over the world. Check out all this location they are covering now, and they are growing every single day. They are transparent about all the payments that they send out to the people. You can see others' usernames and other flags of their countries right here. And I want you to comment down below if you see your flags of your country right on the screen, and that may be interesting. So from there, you can also see all the incomes in US dollars and all the payments matter including ATM, PayPal, Payer. Looking at this, all this payment approach other than the recent payout, we can also see those total earnings. For example, Raja Consult. This person below the overall gains $444, which is incredible by simply watching videos on just one website. And instead, we can see this goes $1,900, $1,800, even after $2,900, which is insane. And also, this is simply from one website, which is BoxInside.com. And make sure you keep watching to find out each of these 5 websites before you go and try it on your own. Now let's state that you can click this register button right on the top to sign up for a free account. And from there, that's going to take you to the BoxInside registration form. You can put in whatever, utilize the name that you desire, as well as additionally your payment and login email address. Confirm the email. Under the referral section, you can leave it blank since I'm not going to leave any referral links on my videos. I try to share this opportunity with you to try to help you to generate income online. And also, if you appreciate that, make sure to subscribe this channel and turn on the notification bell. And under the currency, you can choose on US dollars or your local currency. And the payment method, as you can see right here, we can choose from PayPal, @Cash, Perfect Money, Coinbase, Payer, ATM. So I would prefer PayPal money. If it was like PayPal money like me, make sure you comment down below and let me know as well. Put in your bath here as well as right at the bottom, we are going to see this question where they desire you to click on the icon, which is in this situation they want you to click house, and you can click on this icon. They wish to make sure that you are not a robot, and from DSCA read the terms of service and you can agree to that by just clicking on this to become yes and click on the register button. Now moving on to the third website, you can watch videos and make money online. It's called FusionCash.net. One quick tip, there are gifts that they pay you to sign up for a free account. As you can see right here, they give you a $5 sign up bonus, 100% free, just for signing up for a free account. Currently, all you have to do, you can click on this button where it says get $5 and you can register for a cost-free account. Enter your username, your email address, enter password, confirm your password, putting the zip code of your country and click on the register button. Now make sure you have to come from your email address. Make sure you check your email inbox for the verification link when you sign up for a free account and watch different videos to start making money. You can complete different tasks, start downloading different mobile apps to make money, or play games or refer friends to this website. Now moving on to the fourth website, which is Irsu.com. Once more, this is a legit company. You can earn a free gift card and cash right on this website. They have been paying out many cash prizes to all of the members right on their website. Also, they are being featured in Yahoo, CNN and Wall Street journals. This is exactly how it works. You can join this website for 100% free, and also you can start watching the videos and earn points, and also eventually you can convert those points right into actual money, including cash prizes and PayPal money. You can get paid for watching videos online, watch entertaining videos and earn easy points. Currently, from there, click this button right here where it claims to get started. That will take you through this web page where you can join by utilizing your Facebook account or email account. Enter your email address, your first name, your last name and password, and you can create a free account. Right after that, I wish to reveal to you what it appears like once you are logging into your account, as well as right on IR is a dashboard. That's what you can see, and also here are a few cubes. So you can make some free points by simply setting up your profile. You can answer a few questions and verify your email address. Again, upload your profile image, and that's how you can earn some additional free points. From there, when you click this button where it says Reward Store, and you are going to choose on your country. If you are coming from US, you click this button. If you are from Canada, you are going to click on this button. Or if you are coming from any other country, click on this any country. So the only method we can cash out on this website actually through PayPal. You can receive PayPal money by watching videos. Let's move on to the fifth website is appnana.com. This is an app you can download on your iOS or your Android phone. Let's take for example, if you are utilizing an Android phone, you go onto a Google Play Store. You can search for AppNana free gift card. After that, you need to have the ability to find a logo looks like this. This is working on a gift card and earn cash by just watching videos. So this is generally a free app where you can watch various videos and earn points. And that's you can convert into your actual money or actual gift cards. And below they reveal to us on average about 500,000 people leaving reviews, as well as over 4.2 star, which is quite good as an app. We hope you liked this video. If you did, make sure you leave us a like and comment down below how much you get value out of this video. If you like our videos, subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell. That's all for now. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.